Okay, so if you want to use track mattes like a pro in your music videos or any edits that you're doing, you're going to watch this video right here. With creating a track matte, you need to get two, you can use two clips depending on how many screens. For example, horizontal, one screen up here, one screen on the bottom, vertical, one screen to the left, one screen to the right. But I will show you in a bit on how to do this, right? So we're gonna go back to this composition right here. All right, I have my two clips. The first one being playboi Carti doing, his little dance, his little thing. And then we have the bottom right here, Carti also doing something, But if you want to get the screens to look, well, you'll see. Okay, so with track mix, you're going to need solids. I already have solids, but I'll create some new ones. You're going to go up to layer, new solid, right? Yeah, I'm gonna make a red one, right? And then layer, new solid. I'm going to make a blue one just for distinction, right? If you want to do two screens horizontal, this is what you're gonna do. That top layer right there, you're going to want to move it up. Let me put on my viewfinder so I can make it as accurate as possible. Like right there. Let me turn off the viewfinder so you'll have it like this, right? After you have it like this is what you're gonna do. For the red solid, you want to put it on top of that second clip, okay? And so now what you're going to want to do is go to where, if you can't see it, toggle switch modes to show your track matte, press none, and you want to do an alpha matte to the blue solid. This is for your top clip. And then what you want to do next for this red solid right here, you want to press the video on the bottom. You want to alpha matte it to the red solid, right? Not the blue one, but the red. Bam, there we go right there. But with use of track mattes like this, if it's this is not how you're gonna want it, right? What you can do is, for this bottom clip, I'm going to move this down so that it shows Carti. And so now we have our final effect right here. Honestly, it looks nice. It looks clean. The same can be said for with vertical. So let's do vertical. Okay, so now we are going to do our vertical track matte. So drag down the solid so that it's on top of each of the clips. And so for that clip right there, on the clip on the bottom clip, you want to, for track matte, you're going to want to press alpha matte. And for this solid right here on that bottom clip, you're going to also want to press alpha matte. And as I said before, you can the solid around to get the look that you want.